The report type dropdown controls how your data is presented. 7 options total, 4 non-chart layouts, and 3 chart types. Let's start with the layouts. Table is the default, a rows and columns grid. Best for detailed data where readers need to scan across multiple fields. Columns are sortable, and the view scales with your data. List renders each record as a vertical card with fields stacked line by line. Better for records with long text where a horizontal table would be too wide to read comfortably. Grid arranges records as cards in a multi-column layout, great for visual content like pages with images or thumbnails. Paragraph renders data in flowing prose, fields displayed in line rather than in cells, useful for narrative reports or content summaries. In the Columns tab, open report configuration. Add a title up to 80 characters and a description up to 200. Character counters track your progress. Select bar from report type and your data renders as a bar chart immediately. Hover any bar to see the exact value in a tooltip. Readers on the publish page get the same interactive experience. Switch to line and the same data renders as a line chart, perfect for showing trends over time or across sequences. Each point is connected, making patterns easy to spot. Switch to pie and data renders as proportional slices. Hover any slice to see the category name and value. Great for content type breakdowns, space distributions, or any percentage of whole view. For large datasets, bar and line charts show scroll arrows to page through without losing context. Zoom in and zoom out to focus on a specific range. Reset. Restores the full view.
Next, filtering your data.